Good morning everyone. Right, I'm going to do a quick review on a little tool that I've just bought. One of these badges. So it's the Milwaukee Fuel. It's the M12, there's the number, M12 FRW38. So it's 3/8 impact with a 6 amp hour battery. Now I got this off Power Tool Mate. The website will be in the link. The link will be down in the description below. So this is the gun. It's fairly compact, to be fair. Got it on a cracking deal. It's about 152 quid delivered. I just want to show the power really. So it's only a tiny little gun, 3/8. Now I picked a random car in the car park. I just want to show you just a little bit of the power really. I know I can't go through too much, but if I show you on this wheel, so we've got a standard 17mm, and if I show you on a torque wrench, close to 140 as that. So we'll torque it up like so, and then we'll get the Milwaukee. So it's, what's it on, three dots of battery, so it's not even fully charged really. We've got it on number 3. You just see number 3 like so. It's on its highest setting, and we'll show you. It just pulls out an 140 Newton meter wheel bolt just like that, which I think for the size of the gun is absolutely astounding. So if you guys want to see this undo anything else, please comment down below. I'd love to try it on a load more things. So as you've seen on a Tiguan wheel, torque to 140 Newton meters. So we'll torque it again so we know it's done. Pop the cap on. There we go. So yeah, if you guys want to see this little beauty undo any more stuff, I really want to put it through its test, guys. So chuck down in the comments what you want to see this undo, and we'll put it through its paces. So thank you very much for coming along for that little review. And hopefully I'll see you in the comments for some challenges for this gun. Thank you very much, guys, and I will see you soon.